So refreshing. Ah, perfect. My faithful companion, you bring peace to my soul. Together, we honor the gods of this sacred place. Rest now, my little guardian. Who do you see in there? I see someone strong.
There we are, a perfect pour. Now, let's see how it steeps.
This place is so beautiful. I wonder what's beyond that arch. It's like a dream. Just one more coat. Perfect. Now to blend. Beautiful.
My queen, the gods favor us.
With Bastet's children and your strength.
May our reign be eternal.
Eternal, my pharaoh. The wind carries such peace. I feel so free here. My precious one, you are so calm. Let us walk among the carvings. Come, my beauty. Yes, you are loved.
This lovely pink liquid is just perfect. See how it glistens as it pours? Almost full now, isn't it beautiful? There we are, all done.
My fair, our feline guardians bring such peace.
Indeed, my queen, Bastet smiles upon us.
This little one is so content,
He knows he is loved.
as are we all.
My beautiful companion,
Now,
you bring me such peace. Rest now, my dear. There we are, a lovely pour. Just a bit more now. Perfect. Ready for a lovely sip.
Such a beautiful day. These moments are timeless.
I am the guardian of this sacred temple. The gods have spoken through these stones. Their will shall be done.
My queen, our feline companions bring peace to this sacred hall.
They do, my pharaoh. Bastet smiles upon us.
Indeed. Let us cherish this moment.
These roses are absolutely divine. The city lights are mesmerizing tonight. A perfect evening to be above it all. That's so refreshing. These poppies are so beautiful today. Let me find the perfect one. This one feels just right. Why do you keep looking at me like that?
Because I see what you're trying to hide.
It's not that simple.
It never is for us.
Ah, my little yellow friends, so peaceful here. Just drifting away with the current. A gentle escape from the world.
This place is pure inspiration. These poppies are so vibrant. This place is so peaceful. I feel so free here. The wind whispers secrets. This place is incredible. Look at these formations. I wonder what made them. So beautiful. What a stunning car. So elegant and timeless. This place is incredible. I wonder what these are. So beautiful. I can see the connections. Focusing the energy now. Release. The flow is perfect.
Let's explore this white wonderland. Such exquisite beauty.
This world is full of wonders. Touching this feels like magic. The light awakens. Feel its power. It is mine.